Hi guys, welcome to Intermediate Speaking Week 5 Part 3. So we've just done some listening practice from our textbook and let's get back and finish up the lesson. Make my face small again. So here we were on page 86 and 87. We have finished the listening. You should do Part D. And we are going to skip this page for now. We will come back to page 89 later. We're going to do another Flipgrid video this week, and this will be your Flipgrid video, but we'll talk about that later. We're going to skip this page, and we're going to do this page, page 92 and 93. We're going to come back to it next week because we already did a lot of listening practice this week. So today we are going to finish with a little bit more new vocabulary here, and this is page 94 and 95. So we will continue the lesson today with more vocabulary on page 92 and 95. So let's get started. Again, I'm going to use a little PowerPoint to introduce the vocabulary first. So here is the PowerPoint, and let's get started. This one. Okay, so... Okay, there we go. Okay, so risk and reward, page 94, new vocabulary. This is count. Move my head a little bit. This is count. How many are there? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I am doing is counting. I ask myself, how many are there? Oh, I will count. There are 1, 2, 3. Ah, there are 3. So think about how many there are and look and find the answer. Decrease. This means the number goes down. Decrease. So if I have 5 oranges, but I eat lunch today and I eat 1 orange, now I only have 4 oranges. So the number of oranges I have decreases. Okay? The number of oranges is decreasing. It goes down. It's a verb. Forest. This is a noun. It is a wild place where there are a lot of trees, and it's not the city. I think maybe forest is a little bit easy for you guys, I hope. Protect. This means shield, or it means keep it safe. Now, we use this with the forest because these days there is a lot of talk about the environment and keeping the green space safe, because companies need to make buildings and make streets, and they cut down the trees to make a place for farms. But as you know, if we cut down all the trees, then we have a lot of problems with the air quality, and it can be a big problem if we don't have enough forest and green space. So protect in this chapter talks a lot about protecting the green space and protecting the forest. It means keep it safe, a shield. Danger, something that can hurt you. Discover. This is find something new. So explore and find something new. Find new information. So discover. Goals. Move my head so you can see. Goals are, what do you want to do? Where are you going? So I want to be a teacher. So, okay, my major is education, and I will study how to be a teacher. My goal is to be a teacher. Or you can say, my goal is to be a CEO. Or my goal is to have a family and get married and have children. So it's, where do you want to go? What do you want to do? That's your goal. Wild. This is no people, just animals and land, No people to control this. Wild place. Okay, can you remember? How many are there? Count. The number goes down. Decrease. Forest. Protect. Danger. Discover. Goals. Wild. Okay, so let's go back to the textbook. Here we go, page 94. Here are all of the words that we just saw. So you can read this about the exploring risk and reward to see those words in action. And then please do part C for your homework, and that's just write the word that matches the definition. It should be easy after we did the practice with the PowerPoint. And then I want you to do part E, and this is what are some possible rewards for taking risks? Rank them from 1 to 5. So what do you think is most important? Most important is number 1. So for me, the most important risk is, the most important reward is to protect human or animal life. And then number 2 is to see beauty. And number 3, to have fun or feel excitement. Okay, like this. So what is most important? What is least important? And again, a possible midterm question for you guys is here. What kind of wild animals or natural places do you want to protect? Explain your reasons. So what do you think is important to protect in terms of wild places? Like maybe the ocean and coral reefs is one thing that I think is important to protect. We have a lot of problems with plastic bags and with water pollution. So the coral reef is dying and very soon the fish will have many problems. And if we don't have fish, we don't have seafood. So then the people will have many problems. So I think one thing that's very important is the coral reefs and the oceans. How about you? What is a place that you want to protect? Okay, so that's a really great midterm question. And this will be the end of the textbook. We're going to skip the last 2 sections. So I will now go back and tell you about your Flipgrid video. So I told you before that we're going to come back to this. We're going to make another Flipgrid video. You guys did Flipgrid last week, so you know about getting the classroom link, and then we will have a new topic video. So please make your Flipgrid video and take this quiz. So are you a risk taker? So read the question. Your friend asks you to try skydiving. Do you try it? Yes. I try it. I think skydiving sounds exciting. Your friend asks you to take rock climbing lessons. Do you try it? No, I don't try it. I don't really like exercise with my arms and legs. My body is not strong enough, so I don't think rock climbing will be very much fun. I will just fall down and feel very tired. Okay, so like this, go through and ask the question, then give the answer to the question, and we will see your Flipgrid video. And please, again, watch your classmates' videos and make a comment on 3 videos. Please make a comment that says something, not just me too, but talk to your classmates a little bit. So make 3 comments on your classmates' videos. And you can see my comments, for example, when you go to the Flipgrid classroom if you don't know what to do. Look at what I did so you can see an example of my comments on Flipgrid videos. Okay, so first make a video, then make comments. Okay, 2 assignments. Flipgrid video and make comments so you can see your classmates and talk to your classmates a little bit. Okay, all right, that is all for today, guys. I hope you have a great week. Next week, I will let you know about our class. I think next week we will do a Zoom class to try to practice. Maybe it will be next week or maybe week 7. I'm not sure yet. I want to hear from the university some more information. But soon we will do a Zoom class because your midterm will be coming on week 8. And you should have some speaking practice together with other students before the midterm. So we will do a midterm class. Before the midterm, we will do a Zoom class and do a lot of practice with practice questions, asking your partner, and that way you can practice speaking and speaking test questions together. So maybe next week, maybe 2 weeks later, I'm not sure yet. So please watch for the online announcements, and I will give you the information as soon as I know any more information about our online class schedule. I am waiting for the university to tell me more information, but right now the government is making decisions, so we don't know yet, and I will tell you as soon as I know anything more. So thanks, guys. Please email or Kakao Talk. You can ask me questions if you have any problems. All right. Thanks. Have a good week.